Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use ElevenLabs with Audacity. So at first you will need to make sure that you're already in the ElevenLabs.io website and make sure that you already sign into your account, of course. And afterward you will need to go and tap or click on the text to speech option that's located under the playground section on the left hand menu, and here you will need to choose your voice just from here and enter your script or your text right here. And after finishing you will need to go and click on generate speech and then just download it to your computer files. Okay, so you can navigate to it just like that. Okay, and now open Audacity that you can get from the Muse hub. Okay, so install it just like that if you don't have it already, and then just launch it. And now just go with the files or your computer files and move it or drag it or import it to Audacity. Okay, so then just click open, or it will open automatically as you can see, and the audio now appears in the timeline as a new track. And once you finish the editing you will need to go with file on the top left of the Audacity app and then just go with export audio or save projects. Okay, so actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.